Hi everyone, I'm trying to make this quick video for stuck moonroof. So my moonroof is stuck open and it's been some days, and thank God it's not raining. So I tried to go to some mechanic. I wanted them to close it and then just disconnect the motor, and I tried 3 different mechanic and they say it's gonna cost 150, 200 something. So I decided to do it by myself. I researched a little bit and I already take some of the screw, but I decided to make this video because it was very hard to find any of the proper instruction. So I hope this gonna help. So first thing, this is 2002 Infiniti i35, and to take up the motor or to even to close the stuck window, you have to go to this sunglasses, and there is 2 screws. Take it out from there. I already took it out, 2 screws from inside here, and after that you can easily pop it out. It's already open once, so it's not gonna be that easy for you, but yeah, you can just pop it out. After that you can leave this hanging, or you can just disconnect it from here. One cable just press there, and another one pull out and press here like that. So after that this just come off, so put it aside. Now for the motor, which is screwed pretty well with these 2 big screw in here. So I took those screws out. Now this is the motor, and this motor is actually stuck. Because of the motor, now we can't really move this manually or pull this ourselves, since this is stuck. So we cannot pull because the motor is holding. So first you need to do, after taking these 2 screws out, just grab this motor and then pull it out. It's gonna be a little bit tough on your side, because I pulled it out once and I realized it's not that hard, and the mechanic is asking 250, 150 for this. So I decided to make this video so that people can save money. So you can just disconnect it like that. After the disconnection, this tool is now free. As you can see, this is outside. That's probably the reason my one is stuck open. But now what you can do is, this thing, you can pull it out because it's now free from the motor, so it shouldn't be jammed. So let's try to pull it out. Okay, there we go. And that should do. Let's see from outside. So at least now your window is closed in case of rain or something. Also, quick fix will be, for me, this thing is off, so it have to be inside. So I'm gonna put it inside by closing again. But for you, yeah, you can disconnect the motor and then pull that thing out and fix it by yourself. Or you can disconnect, after closing the window, you can disconnect the motor from here and then just leave it closed if you never use the sunroof. And after the fixing, I will make the final closing and opening of through the switch. Alright guys, I'm trying to put this back, and I want to align this screw right to the nose, because it's gonna be very difficult if it's not aligned properly. So let's try to do that. Right, yeah, that should do. Alright, I'm gonna put the screw and then see how it works. Alright guys, finally I managed to put the motor back, align everything as it's supposed to be. Now I'm trying to see if it's actually fixed, because if the motor is bad it's not gonna work and I have to manually close and disconnect the motor. So let's just plug that thing back. Yeah, it's difficult with one hand. Snap, and here is this one. Snapped. There we go. Now let's see how it will. Now let me just start the engine. The engine have to be started to test this out. Alright, now the moment. So apparently it looks like the motor is working, because this one moved a little forward, but probably I have to reset the motor because it was left open state. So now I'm gonna do this. Right, here we go. Alright, now that actually fixed the issue. So now you guys know the fixing this thing is not that much bigger deal. Alright guys, finally I managed to close the window fully and it is sealed in case of rain or anything. So to avoid this issue keep happening again, and I don't use sunroof or moonroof ever, so I decided to disconnect the motor and put everything back. So here is the motor. I just disconnect it. To disconnect I just pull this one out and press this small nose with the flat screwdriver and start pushing these two in, so it just come off. Now all I'm gonna do is put this thing back, everything back, so lights and everything still gonna work fine. Only this motor switch will be disabled and this window will never be open. And if this case may happen again and again, it might be the switch issue. This switch issue, it may be intermittent, and when it get old, so it automatically open. So I would suggest just disconnect if you don't use the sunroof. Alright guys, I'm gonna put everything back and good luck to you guys. Hope this video helped.